Are you having a nice time, girls? Thank you very much. Later on, I have some friends who can speak your language later, okay? There are three endangered species. So later on, they will talk to you, okay? Okay. Okay, gusto niyo bang ma-entertain? Gusto niyo bang tumawa? At siyempre sa ating mga kapuso dyan sa masulok na mundo, gusto niyo bang, kung kayo nalulumbay, paliligayahin namin kayo. Ito po ang gamot sa kalungkutan. Please welcome, Tekla, Donita, and Tuko!
Hello!
Hello! Otol!
Hi, girls! Hi! Welcome, welcome!
Welcome, beautiful lady!
Oh my God. We have a very beautiful afternoon because we have a lot of beautiful girls in the house.
Yes! All over the world!
All over the world, every parts of the world, we have beautiful girls, especially here. Oh my God, you're all gorgeous.
Yeah, you're so, You're so lovely, beautiful girl.
Such a wonderful and beautiful girl.
Yes, that's right,
Yeah.
Toko.
You know, we have some international artists. They can speak. Come here. You speak Russian? Talk to her, Russian.
Он по-русски говорит, точно?
Он каушинок по-русски.
Я хорошо говорю по-русски.
Ого.
Okay, come here. Lebanon.
We talk 3 languages. Hi, كيفك سافا?
3 languages.
كيفك سافا? Hi in English. كيفك in Lebanese.
كيفا.
And سافا
كيفالة.
in French.
كيف حالك؟
كيف حالك؟
Kipa, enta habibi.
انت حياتي.
Ana mapipulus. Ana Karinena.
Alam mo, tabi.
Welcome to the Philippines.
Yes,
darling.
welcome.
Thank you so much.
From Colombia. You want to talk to Colombia? Colombia.
Yo me llamo Stephanie. ¿Cómo te llamas tú?
Mi amor.
Mi amor.
Okay. From Hong Kong. Chinese.
Hong Kong.
Chinese.
Ni hao ma. Ni hao ma.
Ni hao ya.
Ni hao na baboy. Ni hao na manok. Ni hao na isda. Sa'yo na.
Oh, of course, from the Philippines. Can we
Of
talk to the
course.
Philippines? Madali-dali to, Tagalog.
Magandang gabi po.
I hope you're... You know,
Gandang gabi eh.
ang ganda ng Pilipina. Buong buo talaga, no? Ganyan ako kaganda dati, Will, eh.
Talaga po ba?
Totoo. Nalingat lang ako, nawala ka agad, eh.